Welcome to Online Learning Central. This is Lawrence Wilson here in Silicon Valley. I'd like to share with you today the Mastering Software Development in R Programming Language Specialization from Johns Hopkins University. This particular training program is for all of you who are involved in software design, development, and engineering. This particular program will equip you with core skills, not only in R programming, but also data visualization, Github, object-oriented programming, data manipulation, along with functional programming. Now, the program is designed around 5 key training modules, including R programming environment, second, advanced R programming. Third, building R packages. Fourth, building data visualization or DataViz tools. And finally, a capstone project of your own choosing based on your needs and your interests in your career environment. So I invite you to visit our website, which has the full course curriculum, details that can help answer any questions that you might have about this valuable training program, how it can help boost your career opportunities as well as enhance your earnings and income potential. So this is Lawrence Wilson for Online Learning Central. Again, I invite you to visit our website today. You'll have an opportunity to enroll and begin taking your career in R programming to the next level. I wish you much success. We'll see you soon.